We really, this is our first go-round with that this season, and a lot of folks not used to it just yet. So the humidity is going to be high again tomorrow, and that's going to keep heat index readings elevated from the air temperature. So even though we're expecting mid-80s for highs, it's going to feel like the upper 80s, maybe close to 90, 89 there in Dearborn and Detroit for those heat index readings. Otherwise, it's a lot of upper 80s across the area. Mid-80s, though, here in the South Zone, 87 in Lambertville, one of the warmer heat index readings there. West Zone, 86, 87, maybe up to 88 in Canton. And if you're in the North Zone, Lakeshore may help. Lexington there, 80 for a heat index, but likely going to feel like the mid-80s across most of the inland areas of the North Zone tomorrow. There's the difference between the temperature and the heat index for the next 4 days, and you can see there's a noticeable difference even as temperatures cool down there towards Thursday. Highs in the low 80s, heat index readings remain in the mid 80s even as we get into Thursday. So really not an appreciable change going forward, and it's not just us. You can see it's pretty much all of the eastern half of the country that's socked in to this humid air mass. Finally getting a little bit of a change there by Sunday. That's how long we have to wait. Dew point down to 50, so that air is going to feel incredibly dry by the time we get there. The northern boundary, that's that front that you see draped across northern lower Michigan. As long as that thing sits north of us, we're going to sit in the humidity, and we have these afternoon thunderstorm chances pop up. They fade when the sun goes down, and then they return as that heat builds in the afternoon. Front finally dips a little bit by Friday, but it's really got to swing its tail through here on Saturday and Sunday. Once that goes through, that'll finally be the end of that humidity, and also ending the rain chances in the afternoon. We're going to stay dry as we head into Sunday. 69 tonight, high temperatures tomorrow. You saw them there, 85, but heat index readings making it feel like the upper 80s. No real change there till Monday, guys, or I should say Sunday. Temperatures look the same, but the humidity goes down, and I think a lot of us by that point will say, thank goodness.
Yeah, we will. Okay, Ben, thank you.